Hey everyone, Chris at Lamin-x. I'm going to talk to you about the Lamin-x Side Marker film covers. Some countries require vehicles to have some side marker lights to actually show when they turn and make it a turn, or they reflect light on there to be able to see a car's parked on the side. In the United States, they require to have amber up front and red in the back. And some customers actually like to tone this down a little bit and actually have a little, just either a nice tint or a smoke, or in the case here, the car is red, so we want to make the amber become red and match with the car. So I'm going to show you some of the films that we actually have available for the side marker film covers. And for this demonstration, all these films don't have any adhesive on it, so I can easily take it off and put it back on to show you. So in this case, so here's our red. And I'll apply the red right over top of the light, and you can see it changes the amber color to a red color. Amber, red. Next we have our lightest tint. This is just a real subtle, only a few handful of percent to actually just tone this down the amber a little bit, ever so slightly. But it still allows the majority of the light to still pass through, so you can still meet regulations from light and visibility from a certain distance away. This is our tint film. Uncovered, covered with the tint. Next is our Gunsmoke. This is just more of just a medium. If you want just a little bit more than a tint, but a little bit more, slightly more to like a smoke out. This is perfect. This is our Gunsmoke. So again, it just kind of just tones the amber down a little bit more than the tint, a little less visibility. Uncovered, Gunsmoke. Next is our medium darker film. This is called our smoked film. This has more of a brownish pigment, which works really good on amber and red lights. Kind of blends with that color light but a little bit better. But this is our smoke. This is just ever so slightly darker than the Gunsmoke, but not significantly. But again, it blends better with amber and red. So this is our smoked. Uncovered, smoked. Next is our darkest film. This is our blackout. This is called charcoal. So if you really want to just black it all out and you want that dark blackout look, it blocks out about 30% of the lighting, so it still allows 70% of the light to pass through. But this is our charcoal. This is more of a blackout look. Uncovered, charcoal. Next I'm going to go through is a demonstration with the light actually turned on, and I'll put the films on so you can actually see what the light looks like and how much darker it changes the light output with the different films on. This is red. Tint. Gunsmoke. Smoked. Charcoal.